one of them got my back for real. Everything just got quiet, I fucked up bad and I still come back from this. Yo, what's up guys, it's Benevolent. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to sound like Ian in this new album 2005, and specifically in the song Friends from Everywhere. Now I know I'm a little late to this. I made this as soon as the album dropped, but I just could not get it to sound right, and just recently I got it sounding right. I don't know why I couldn't do it originally, but I finally got it sounding like how I want. I wanted the vocals to be really present and sound really punchy like Ian's vocals usually do. Obviously Ian's probably in a really good studio with a really good microphone, and he's probably not using stock FL plugins if we're being completely honest, but I'm trying my best to give you guys a free stock FL preset that you guys can use to sound like Ian, and I think I did pretty well. You guys can be the judge. But yeah, if you guys haven't heard this song yet, I'm gonna go ahead and play it. This is Ian, Friends from Everywhere.
Damn, I got friends from everywhere, not one of them got my back for real. Everything just got quiet, I'm fucked up bad and I still come back from this. Cool in a bitch, I'm smooth, I practice this. I ain't had to take class for shit. Remember the hoes, the blows, the woes, the foes, we had to get past for this. I went from grams to ounces to pounds to bales, I still won't pass the shit. I wish grams could make it to one of my shows and see where I'm at and shit. I'm not mad, but I've been real upset that we couldn't manage this. We had plans to go somewhere and grow old, you taking that back already? Fucked up bad, I just realized my plug, the one I was calling the jam. Like shouldn't I have more friends and someone I love that I should be calling instead? I held shit down with no hope, boy stand your ground and don't choke. Pray for my dog, he found help. Pray for my mom, I'm not there no more. I'm still breathing, but I'm really tired, baby. I'm just tweaking, I didn't mean that part.
So yeah, now that you guys have heard the song, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all of these presets and show you guys what my raw vocals sound like. I don't think it'll be too bad for this one, but I don't know. We'll see. Damn. I got friends from everywhere, and not one of them got my back for real. Everything just got quiet, I fucked up bad and I still come back from this. Yeah, like I thought, it's not too crazy. I'm sure the vocals over here don't sound good, that's for sure. I'm still breathing, but I'm really tired. But I mean, most of the song was just like rapping vocals, so yeah, it doesn't sound too bad without the presets. But yeah, now I'm gonna turn these presets on, and this is what it sounds like. Damn. I got friends from everywhere, and not one of them got my back for real. Everything just got quiet, I fucked up bad and I still come back from this. Cool in a bitch, I'm smooth, I practice this. I ain't had to take class for shit. Remember the hoes, the blows, the woes, the foes, we had to get past for this. I went from grams to ounces to pounds to pills and still won't pass the shit. I wish grams could make it to one of my shows and see where I'm at and shit. I'm not mad, but I've been real upset that we couldn't manage this. We had plans to go somewhere and go, oh, you taking that bag already. Fucked up bad, I just realized my plug, the one I was calling the jam. I should not have more friends and someone I love that I should be calling instead. I held shit down with no hope, boy stand your ground and don't choke. Praying for my dog, he found help. Praying for my mom, I'm not there no more. I'm still breathing, but I'm really tired, baby. I'm just tweaking, I didn't mean that part. So yeah, that's what those presets sound like, and these presets will be free in the Discord. The only preset here that isn't free is this master preset you guys see right here. And for this video, I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is on my website, benevolent.shop, for $10. But if you'd rather get this entire FLP that comes with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template that comes with these presets set up and ready to record with, as well as my Best Waves master preset and my stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will be on my website for just $15. But if you guys just want the free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord link in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and the Ian presets will be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets that you guys can use, so go get some free presets and make some good music. Now I'm gonna show you guys my auto-tune settings for those of you guys that don't have the same auto-tune as me. The song is in the key of A major. I use a retune speed of 6 and a humanize of 57, and yeah, there's no ad-libs, it's just a main. So yeah, that's my auto-tune settings for this song. And now I'm gonna show you guys these automation clips here real quick. The way I have this set up is I have the main going into the reverb bus at 100%, and then I have this slider automated. Yeah, that's what this volume automation is. So if you right click on this and click create automation clip, it'll create an automation clip, and then wherever you want more reverb, you just move this automation clip like so. And that's what I did up here. And then the other things I have set up are both on the main preset itself. So I have this EQ that's basically cutting out the highs, and then I have a stereo enhancer that's making it wider, and I have both of those going everything from 0 to 100% right here on this part. So I'll go ahead and play this, and you can see these knobs will go all the way up. And all you do to make these automation clips is right click and create automation clip, and then you just right click to make points. So if I press play on this, you'll see both of those knobs go up, and you'll see this slider go up.
I'm still breathing, but I'm really tired, baby. I'm just tweaking, I didn't mean that part.
Now, realistically, I probably could have just made a separate preset, but to me, it just made more sense to make some simple automation clips. That way it didn't need a whole separate preset. But yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. If it did help you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.